Bonjour YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadej and today I'll be showing you exactly how I got these jumbo twists. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Here is our first example here. I'm going to place the Shine and Jam all around the root of the part that I'm going to begin with. And then I'm going to make sure you're smoothing the Shine and Jam into that part. You may use your fingers or you can use a comb. This is going to allow it to be nice and flat. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to part that piece of hair into two pieces in the vertical direction, so up and down. Then you're going to place that synthetic hair in between that part that you just created. This is going to allow you to get that invisible method and not have a braid to start your twist. Bring the hair together, place a rubber band around it about 3 to 5 times. And then you're going to make sure that the hair is snug by pulling your natural hair pieces apart in opposite directions. Then I'm placing more Shine and Jam on my natural hair. This is going to allow the hair to smooth out a little bit better, and it'll be able to blend in with the synthetic hair a little bit better. Once you have the synthetic hair attached to the two natural hair pieces, you're going to smooth that out again. This step is optional. I just like to take a comb and then smooth it out one more time just to make sure it's really blending out. And then what you're going to do is start the jumbo twist or rope twist. The key part is you have to twist the synthetic hair in your hair in between your fingers first. Then you may twist them together. So you're going to twist them in between your fingers and then twist them around each other. That's going to create the rope look. If you're not looking for a rope look, you just want a 2-strand, skip the twisting in between your fingers and just twist as you normally would. But for this method, this version of the jumbo twist, Senegalese twist, you have to twist in between your fingertips first. Here is a slowed down and zoomed in video of me doing the twisting in between my fingers and then twisting around each other. On to the next one. We're going to coat that hair with Shine and Jam, smoothing it all the way through. Split the hair into 2. And then you're going to place the braiding hair in between that part. Bring them together. Grab your rubber band and place your rubber band on that piece of hair, securing it about 3 to 5 times. Then you're going to pull that hair nice and taut. Apply the jam to the hair, smoothing it out. And then we're going to begin twisting, making sure that we are twisting the hair in between our fingertips first, and then twisting around each other to make sure that we have that rope effect. Here I'm just combing out the hair, smoothing it a little bit more, making sure we don't have any flyaways. So we're twisting in between the fingertips and then twisting together. is just me parting my hair, and I'm rechecking each time I part, making sure I can get them as clean as possible. If you are interested in seeing how I part my hair, I can totally create a video of that. Just be sure to leave a comment down below. Here, I'm just going to take that comb and smooth it out. And you can see the texture of my hair and the braiding hair are not identical. So definitely combing it and making sure that the hair is coated in the Shining Jam will allow it to blend a lot better. We have finally made it to the top of my head. I am so happy to be almost done with this. In this clip, you're just watching me part my hair, and it's literally just part it, check it in the mirror. Make sure your lines are straight. Have a little grace because you are doing it by yourself. Because remember, this is a DIY. And here is when I realized my twist is not long enough. And this typically happens when you move to the front of the head, but that's okay because I'm going to show you how to feed in additional hair. You're going to take some hair, slide it into the part where you need it, and then you're going to twist the hair that's in my left hand away from you and the one in your right towards you. And that's going to create that rope effect and continue the twist all the way down. another example of me adding additional braiding hair in. You're going to grab that piece, place it in the middle of your current twist, and then you're going to twist the new braiding hair with the old braiding hair in opposite directions, and then twist together. And you're only going to twist it once. That's just how you feed in the braiding hair into your twist. We are done. I went ahead and did my edges off camera. Then I'm going ahead and dip my hair in the hot water for about 30 seconds and then drying it with a towel. Please use help if you have not done this before. You do not want to burn yourself. And this is the final look, y'all. I'm absolutely loving this hairstyle. I'm giving y'all looks, okay? This hairstyle only took about 6 hours, including recording time. I absolutely love this hairstyle, and I think you all should give it a try. Please be sure to give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.